Hello, P6. Welcome to our math class. Again, this is Miss Claire. And in this video, you will learn Chapter 1, Lesson A, Understand Decimals up to thousands. The learning outcomes for this lesson are to explain the value of digits in decimals to thousands, and to decompose, and regroup decimals to thousands. Okay, P6, are you ready? Come on, let's start. I have here some pictures of fruits. Take a look. Ralph wants to cut a watermelon into two parts. Easy wants to split the grapes into two smaller bunches. So how do you think Ralph can cut the watermelon? And how do you think Easy can split the grapes? So during our class, you can try to, if you know the answer, you can share that. So how about the orange also? How can you write the mass of this orange in different way? So you can share that during our class. Now, let's study about dividing a square into 1000 equal parts. So I have here a picture of a big metal sheet, and it is cut into 100 equal parts. Then the smallest part, one part, is also divided into 10 smaller parts. So the one that is shaded in green, that is already one part out of 1000. So we call it 1000th, or it can be written as 0.001. So the digit 1 here is in what place value? Yes, that is what we call thousandths. So we can read this one as 0.001. Okay, another. So if we have 7 parts, small pieces of the metal sheet that is colored, that is 7,000, or it can be written as 0.007. Okay, so we have one big or one whole metal sheet and 3 parts that is shaded. So if we add them together, that is 1 and 3 thousandths. So if we write this as a decimal, that is equal to 1.003. So the 1 here is the whole number, this one, the full one, and the 003, this one, is this one, the 3 parts out of 1000. Okay, so I have here a number line. So this number line is drawn from 0 to 0.01. So from 0 to 0.01. So each marking here is 0.001. So until here, this is 0.004. How about this one? Yes, this is 0.008. Okay, so remember this P6 that when we write thousands in the third place to the right of the decimal point. So the thousands digit is the third digit from the decimal point. So there are 10 equal markings from 0 to 0.01, and its marking again represents 1000. So if we have 0.004, we have 4 0.001. Okay, how about if we extend our number line to the left of 0? Do you remember that numbers on the left side of 0 are negative numbers? So if you observe from 0 here, if we move to the left, that is already negative. So we say if we are going to put this one here, this is 3 markings from 0. So that is negative 0.003 or negative 3000. So again, there are 10 markings from 0 here until negative 0.001. Okay, so how can you write negative 0.003 in different way? Can you try? Okay, now let's have a place value chart. So this is a place value chart. So we have here the dark line. This is the decimal point here. And on the left are the ones. And on the right of the decimal point, this place value here is tenths. That second, the second digit, that place value is hundredths. And the third one from the decimal point is what we call the thousandths. So take a look here. How many ones in this number? Yes, three ones. This one, three ones, 1/10, four hundredths, and 2,000. So that is 3 plus 0.1 plus 0.04. So how about this one? What is this? There are 2,000. So this is 0.002. So if we add this 4, this is equal to 3.142. Okay, so in the number, what digit is in the thousandths place? Yes, it's the number 2 and it represents 0.002. Okay, now how to decompose a decimal? So Mia decomposes 20.314. So when we decompose a decimal, children, all we need to do is we are going to find its place value. So 20 is consists of two tens, right? There are no ones. There is no ones because it's 0. So let's proceed to 10. So these are 3 tens. So 3, it has 1, a 100, and it has 4 thousands. So to decompose, that is equal to 2 tenths, this one, 3 tenths, 100th, and 4 thousandths. So when we see decomposing a decimal means we are going to break it down into smaller pieces, a smaller number. Now, let's regroup a decimal. Okay, so Mia regroups the number in two ways. When we say regroup, we group it again. The first way of regrouping a decimal is only by separating the whole number and the decimal itself. So 20.314, let's just separate the whole number and that's 20. So 20, and the other one is the decimal, so 0.314. So this is one way of regrouping a decimal. Another way is just like decomposing, right? If you remember earlier, so 20.314 is consist of two tens, then 3 tens, and this 14 here is what we call 14 thousandths. So there are 14 thousandths here. There are 14 red circles. So to regroup this one, we have 2 tens, 3 tenths, and 14 thousandths. So if we use 14 thousandths, no more using of hundredths because we already put together the hundredths and the thousandths. So now, can you write a number with 3 decimal places? How can you regroup the number into different ways? Okay, take a look here, regrouping a decimal. Now, I have here a number which is 5.784. So Aldrich wants to decompose 5.784. Please help him to decompose this number. So prepare for your answer for this question, children, during our class. So all you need to do is to find how many ones, tenths, hundreds, and thousands. Okay? Okay, P6, that's all about Lesson A, understand decimals up to thousands. I will discuss more about this lesson during our class. And also stay tuned for Lesson B. It talks about multiply and divide numbers with 10 or by 10, 100, and 1,000, and also rounding numbers. So stay tuned for my upcoming one video. So again, thank you for watching, children, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember to stay safe and healthy. God bless everyone and have a great day.